Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel easily. First, let's set the stage for success. It's all about smart planning and consistent effort, not overwhelming yourself. We'll explore simple yet powerful strategies that you can implement right away. Think of it as building momentum with small, deliberate actions each day. This approach makes achieving your goals feel much more attainable and less daunting. Setting SMART goals is fundamental for easy excellence. Instead of vague aspirations, define exactly what you want to achieve, how you will measure it, and by when. For instance, aim to complete one specific project task by 3 o'clock this afternoon. This clarity provides a clear roadmap, helping you stay on track and celebrate small victories along the way, boosting your confidence and drive. The power of consistent small actions cannot be overstated. Imagine dedicating just 15 minutes each day to a crucial task. Over a week, that's over 1 hour and 45 minutes of focused work. This steady progress, even in tiny increments, accumulates into significant achievements over time. It's about building momentum and making excellence a natural outcome of your daily routine, not a sudden, overwhelming sprint. Finally, continuous learning and adaptation are key to sustained excellence. Regularly ask for constructive feedback from peers or mentors. This provides valuable insights. Take 10 minutes at the end of each week to reflect on your accomplishments and challenges. This practice helps you refine your approach, ensuring you are always moving forward efficiently. Embrace flexibility and view every experience as an opportunity to learn and grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.